Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're discussing how to expand your linear drumming by using two simple patterns, right left kick kick and right left kick kick. So grab your drumsticks and let's dive in. Alright, welcome in guys. Today we're going to be practicing two simple linear patterns, right left kick kick and right left kick kick, and I'm going to be showing you how you can use those two patterns to expand your linear drumming vocabulary. So go ahead and download the PDF for this lesson so that you can print it off, you can follow along with the lesson, and you can practice at home. So go ahead and do that, and then grab your sticks. We're going to start by just practicing those two patterns each by themselves. So these are none of the written patterns yet, none of the exercises on the page. We're just playing those two phrases that is literally the title, the text title on the PDF. So here we go. Let's start by just practicing right, left, kick, kick. Okay, we're just going to repeat this over and over nice and slow and try to follow me as I move that pattern gradually across the whole drum set. Here we go. 2, right, left, kick, kick. Here we go. Alright, so that's just a little quick practice exercise with that one drum pattern, right, left, kick, kick. The second pattern is right, left, kick, kick. So now we're playing 4 notes in the hands. Let's try that together. Right, left, kick, kick. Right, left, kick, kick. Ready, go. Okay, now that we've done a little practice, let me set up the rest of the page. So what we're going to be doing is practicing 6 drum fill examples just using those two phrases. Now there is one exception to this. The very first pattern, you'll notice it ends with an extra set of right left at the end. That's because I do not like ending a drum fill with the double kick phrase, because that means you have to play a third kick to land the start of the next measure, and I'm just terrible at doing those 3 kick drums in a row. So I'm finishing with an extra set of right left just at the end of this first example. But other than that, we're only using right left kick kick and right left kick kick. So hopefully by the end of this page and practicing these on your own, you're going to start to feel like all these patterns are one and the same. That's actually a good thing. It means you're just getting really comfortable and really familiar with this phrasing of either doing 2 or 4 on your hands. That's really what you should be thinking about mentally. You're always doing 2 on the kick, and you're just choosing to either play 2 or 4 on the hands. So these 6 drum patterns are just different arrangements, different reordering of those phrases, and different orchestrations, playing them on different surfaces around the drum set. So let's go ahead and cover the very first exercise. It's going to be the group of 2 on the hands first, then a group of 4, then a group of 4, and then we're tagging on an extra group of 2 on the hands at the very end. So here is drum fill number 1, nice and slow. 3, 4. 2, ready, go. 2, and ready, one more time. All right, now let's try playing it together with the groove and then the fill, actually exactly how it's written on the page. So here we go. 2, and ready, and go. Groove. All right, now let's try that a bit faster. So it'll be more like 1, 2, get that ready, go. All right, so that is drum fill number 1. The next drum fill, number 2, we're going to start with the kick. We're going to play 2 kick drums, then we're playing a group of 2 on the hands, and then 4 on the hands, and then 4 on the hands, then finishing on the floor tom. So it's going to be like this. All right, so let's try just that nice and slow. We'll do it 3 times. So 3 E and 4 E and 2, ready, go. 2, and ready, go. Okay, now let's try that with the groove in between every fill. 1 and 2 and ready, go. All right, that's a really neat fill. I love starting with the kick. It's not as common as starting with the hands. And yeah, I just love the sound of it. So that is drum fill number 2. So moving on to number 3, we're starting this one with the hands. And this one it starts on the left side of the kit and it just gradually travels all the way around. So we're doing 2 groups of 2 on the hands to start. Right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick. Then we're going to do 4 in a row, going from the mid tom to the floor tom. Right, left, kick, kick, and then we finish with 2 on the floor tom. Floor tom, crash. All right, so grab your sticks. Let's play this one nice and slow, just the fill by itself. Here we go. 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 2 and ready and go. And 2 and ready, one last time. Okay, now let's play that with the groove. 1 and 2 and All right, that's drum fill 3. You guys are doing fantastic. Keep it up. We are halfway through the page. We just have 3 more drum fills to cover. So moving on to number 4. This is a really fun one. It features a crossover. So we're going to be starting with our hands crossed on the hi-hat and the floor tom, and we're going to uncross, floor tom, hi-hat, then we're going to cross again, hi-hat, floor tom, and then we're going to uncross for the final 2 notes, floor tom, snare. Remember, every note, not the kick drum notes, but all the other notes, we're always starting with our dominant hand. So for me, I'm right-handed, so you're starting with your right hand. If you think about it that way, the sticking and the crisscrossing makes sense. Just remember, always lead with your right hand. So here we go. Here's number 4, nice and slow. 2 E and 3 E and 4 E. 2 and ready one more time. And 2 and ready last time. Okay, let's try it with the groove. So we'll go 1 E and 2 E and ready. Here we go. I love that one, the crossover. It's such a cool visual, especially when you play it faster. So anyway, I like that one a lot. Okay, drum fill 5. This is another drum fill starting with the kick drum. Now we're going to play a group of 4 notes, 2 kicks, another group of 4 notes, and finish with the floor tom. So here's drum fill 5, nice and slow, play it with me. 2 E and 3 E and 4. And 2 and ready, here we go. And 2 and ready one more time. Okay, now with the groove in between. 1 E and 2 E and ready, go. All right, so we're on to the very last drum fill, number 6. We're gonna start on the floor tom, travel to the snare, then snare floor tom, right after the other, right, left, then we're gonna finish on the floor tom. So here we go, let's try number 6, nice and slow. 2E and 3E, here we go. And 2 and ready, here we go. And 2 and ready, one last time. All right, and lastly, let's play it with the drum groove in between. So here we go. 1E and a 2E and a ready, go. Okay guys, before we wrap up, I want to explain to you one bonus level, an extra additional way that you can practice this page just to get some more mileage out of it. So you've got the 6 examples written here. Another way you can practice them is to link them together. So you can start with any of the patterns that begin with the hands. So number 1, 3, 4, or 6. And you can follow them with either number 2 or 5, which starts with the kick drum. This is really cool. Then you end up with a double length fill, or you could just double the speed and have a 30-second note fill. So let me show you what I mean. Here's number 1 in to number 2. So here we go. Could sound like this when you practice. 1, 2, number 1 and number 2. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. If you would like to learn more from me, consider becoming a part of Team Shantos Drum Lessons over on my website at jaredshantos.com. You can join your first month for only $5. It's $20 every month after that. Just use code NEWMEMBER to get that $5 a month special. The membership includes a weekly live stream lesson on Zoom. All the live stream lessons will be archived. There's also a bonus vault with some other drum courses and material that I've already recorded there. You're also going to get access to our private Facebook community as well. So consider joining that if you would like to learn more from me. All right, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next lesson. Take care.